I think there's a spider on my laptop. Ding dong!
Excuse me!
Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kat.
I'm Jess.
And it's time.
It's time.
Mono is out. RM2 is out.
And we're going to react to it.
Well, we're basically gonna react to Forever Rain first, the music video. So, because I don't want to make my life any harder, because I am gonna edit this video and have school tomorrow, we're just gonna cut right through it. So, 3, 2, 1. What the heck? I'm not dumb. What the fuck? I need to stop swearing. It looks so amazing.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 누가 나 대신해 좀 울어줬으면 해서. 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어. 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까 빗속에서 사람들도 저마다 바쁘니까 좀만 느리게 숨 쉴래. 평소에 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까 지금 모든 게 저 위치로 하늘에 나의 그림자가 비치고 난 어둠을 딛고 서 있어. 고개를 밑으로 내 발 뒤꿈치로. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow.
That's BTS members!
Sorry if he's gonna sing.
비가 오면 조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어. 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어. And I answer 난 여전히 삶의 인질. 죽지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶여있지. 나도 너처럼 어딘가 두드릴 수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까. 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까. 제발 아무것도 묻지마. 그냥 영원히 내려줘. 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아. 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘. 잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어. 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain.
That's my favorite part.
When it rains, it pours. When it rains, it pours. It pours. Forever rain.
The animation is lit.
It's lit. Also, it's really aesthetically pleasing. I love Joon's singing voice.
Can you sing me to sleep? and right, but I like that. What the fuck is that background? I think there's a spider on my laptop. Oh no, it's just a food one.
What?
Oh, it's the same video. I'm back with the food.
I haven't eaten since lunch, okay? It's 7. It's 8, bitch. It's 8:30, bitch.
Okay, so opinions on this song. I really... What do you want to say?
You go on first. I was just like feeling it.
I can feel Namjoon in it. Like, yeah, obviously it's his song and stuff, but like, I feel like he found his, how do I say? He found his style.
I found his genre.
Yeah, it sounds so Namjoon. I don't know how to describe it. It just sounds like Namjoon.
He even said in the song, he even sang in his song that even his raps are way too fast. Now he's just slowing it down, like the way he wants it to.
Yeah.
And now we have Forever Rain. We still have the whole album mix playlist.
He calls it a playlist. Choose playlist.
It's a playlist because all of his songs that he posted for us they were slow songs, and a mixtape is usually raps.
Like
Namjoon Kim.
Namjoon.
We are proud of you. Keep going.
We stand you, king.
So yeah, guys, let us know how you reacted to RM's Forever Rain.
Down below in the comments.
We will try to respond to them, but I'm not quite sure. You will. You've got holidays. I had to work today. It dropped during work. I didn't want to have a break because I knew that it's gonna drop at 5, and they let me have a break at 5. Like why?
Very sensitive.
Like, you had to see me. I was in an elevator. I was looking on my watch and I was like, we're gonna listen to
The playlist.
See you guys in our next video.
Which is basically the same day, but you get it.